the board of mystery. That was top notch, guys. Alright, now I'm going to set up in the windowsill. Now I'm going to give you guys a little survey. Alright, now look at the board. Who here believes that this board is level? If you think so, raise your hand. Anyone think it's level?
Level ଅଛି ନା ଏଟା ଯେତିକି ତଳକୁ ସେଟା ସେତିକି ଉପରକୁ ଅଛି.
Who thinks this side of here is higher? Who thinks that's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Quite a few more of you. And now who thinks this side is lower? Anyone? Alright, two. Okay. Alright guys, I noticed a few things during the survey. I noticed not everybody raised their hands. I think some of you guys voted like 2 or 3 times. That is okay. That is fine. I'm going to give you guys one more option in case you haven't had the chance to vote yet. Is anybody here not thinking at all today? Not thinking at all. Not thinking at all. Okay, one of us. 2 of us. 3 of us are honest. That's okay though. I brought my level and my level camping for us. Can you guys see the bubble moving on the level? It's a working level, alright? I'm going to set the level down. And then what I need is a volunteer. I need someone to come over. Come on over. Are you going to stand right up here? Can you see the bubble on the level? Where is it? But is it in between the 2 lines? 2 lines right there. You see the 2 lines on the level? Is it in the middle? Say it really loud so everyone can hear. Yes, it's good. And what does it mean when the bubble's in between the 2 lines? Let's give my scientific observer a big round of applause. Thank you very much. Alright, so bubbles in the middle. Can you guys see it over here too? Alright, bubbles in the middle. So we do have a level surface. Now, if I took a ball and placed the ball on our level surface, what should that ball do?
It should.
Just say nothing should happen. I happen to have the ball in my pocket. Let's careful with the board of mystery, please. Alright, I have this ball and I put it on the board of mystery. You guys will notice it does not stay in place. Going out this way. That's kind of weird. We just saw it was level, but I can even roll it in. And you guys will see it's going to stop. Rolling right back out. Now what's that? It should be on a level surface. Even if I put it all the way at the end. It doesn't matter where it starts, it's just going to get pushed back out by the forces on the inside of the cabin. Now, I do understand you guys haven't felt these forces to their fullest extent yet, so you're probably feeling kind of skeptical right now. You're thinking, tour guide, that's impossible, you must have rigged the experiment. Don't worry, tourists, I thought of that. We could have first of all tampered with the board. This track in the middle could be cut in the shape of a V. That end is smaller and this end is bigger. The track would be forcing the ball to the bigger side. So if I flip the board over like so, then what should happen is the ball should roll into what would be the bigger side. But I can roll it in, and it's going to stop, and it's going to roll out. So it's not the track, but it could still be the ball. It could have a weight in it, or a motor, or a little magnet. Does anybody have anything cylindrical like a chapstick, a battery, more than half full water bottle? Roll 20s I can make disappear. A chapstick. Alright, sir. Did you purchase this here at the mystery spot? No? It's not going to work. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Alright, now this is probably going to roll to the side a little bit because it's not perfectly cylindrical, but you guys will notice that it does roll out. Now we can also roll it in, and it stops and it rolls out. Now I did point out you did not buy this here, so we couldn't have tampered with it anyway. You're going to want to be careful when you use it, sir. Your lips might develop a lean of some sort. I'm not sure. Now, we used that. We used my pool ball. These are man-made objects, so we can't really trust them. We could have just planted them in the audience with a magnetized object. But I do have water with me. You guys can see that. I'm going to put some water on the board of mystery, and it should disperse equally in both directions because it is level. And I'm going to try and put it right in the middle. And we are going to see what happens. You guys will notice water comes out this side. The inside of the cabin floor is completely dry. You can all check for yourselves when you go inside, just like everything else in the experiment. The water gets pushed out to this end. Now I can tell by your stunned silence the board of mystery has done its job. Let's give the board a big round of applause. Well guys, that is it for the board. We're about to head inside. Now I will say, it's really slippery in there, so if you guys need some extra support, there's a handrail, but not everybody's going to fit on it, so if you don't need it, just use the people that do. Now I do have a little bit of